In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently save your project in Blender. Whether it's your newest creation or an ongoing project, saving your progress regularly ensures you won't lose any of your hard work. And today, we'll walk through this simple yet crucial process. First, let's open Blender. If you haven't already, locate the Blender icon on your desktop or in your program list and give it a click. Once Blender is running and you see the familiar interface, your next step is heading over to the upper left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the File tab. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with numerous options. Today we're focusing on saving our work, so direct your attention to the Save options. Now, if you look closely, you'll see the choice between Save and Save As. Now, let's clarify when you might use these options. If you've already saved your work and simply want to update the file with your most current changes, you'd select Save. However, if you're saving your project for the first time, or want to save a version that's different from the original, then Save As is the best option. For demonstration purposes today, let's select Save As. This option allows us to specify exactly where we want to store our file and what we'd like to name it. After choosing Save As from the menu, a dialog box will appear, presenting you with a file browser window. This is your opportunity to carefully choose the right location on your computer where you'll want to keep this project file. Organizing where you save your files can be a lifesaver, especially when you're working with multiple projects at once. Take a few moments to browse through your folders and choose a location that makes sense to you. You can create a dedicated folder for your Blender projects if you haven't already. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, it's important to give your file a clear and memorable name. Something that will remind you what the project is about or what version it is. This can save you a lot of time and confusion down the road. After you've selected the location and given your file the perfect name, go ahead and click Save As at the bottom right of the dialog box. And there you have it, just like that. You've efficiently saved your Blender project. This simple but essential step not only secures your hard work, but also gives you peace of mind. Regularly saving your work, especially after significant changes, will keep your creative flow unmarred by technical mishaps. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn in Blender, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching and happy blending!